Guys, I want you to save all the animals in this community of our area. I'm posting this on YouTube, Screencast Automatic, and I want you all to just please save our animals. Our animals keep dying in the seas, and we don't want that. There's pollution. There's all the other stuff. We don't want that. We want is our hope, and there's pollution. There's we don't want that. People are littering. So let's I want everyone for community. We have to shut down like a couple beaches. This is like making pollution for other places, and I want you to just please make it this for our privacy policy. We want this for our community. No, we don't. We don't actually want this for our community. We want we don't want scraps in our beach. We don't want that. We don't. We just want all we want is sea creatures, sea things. That's all of that. I'm explaining this for all of you to save our animals for everyone. All the all the areas in Denver that we just gotta lower the cars down and stuff. There's pollution everywhere from factories, everything. This is not good for our community of state law. We need to give more kids child health care for their place. And if we don't give out health care, it's just not good. I know I'm a 6 year old and I'm reporting this to everything, but we need to get this for people. We don't have a good community. We need more good people, okay? So I want this process going through the world with no pollution. I want us eating healthy, eating health insurance, getting more people interactive for health insurance, and all those stuff. Now, health insurance is going to be good for us. We need more health insurance for kids and our humans, but there's literally just bad things going on in our world. If all the pollution in the air and all the pollution in the water is just in our world, it's bad. It can make earthquakes. It's bad for our earth. The grasses, it's bad for the grass. And guys, wait, you please to support our people in our state community of law. Please make sure to like and subscribe to support us. Go to bugsquad.com to save our world and community. Please, people, do it now. Do it now.